I'm just fitting some loft insulation in our eaves, because we have a room in the roof, and it's a really awkward sort of tight space. And I've laid insulation between the rafters, where there's already insulation here, and I'm just running insulation in the other direction, so about 200 mil across the timbers, so that you don't get a thermal bridge of the cold seeping through the timbers. Now, the most important thing about fitting roof insulation, particularly in my loft, is that we have eaves ventilation. So it's really important to not block up the eaves ventilation. So I've been using my trusty broom handle here to just tap down the insulation to make sure I've got airflow coming up all the way up here. And you can see we've got a nice gap. So the insulation is just pushed up to the bottom of the roof rafters. And that's ideal because it then gives you a gap. The trickiest bit was to get down, right down on my tummy, to get the insulation underneath this layer, so that you make sure it is insulated as far as you can possibly get, but without blocking that eaves vent. Hopefully should make our lounge nice and toasty warm.